Well, it seems like this machine is actually all fully working. So we just clicked over to E, I think. I like how these machines click all the time with the dial. It's quite nice. No leaking on the back, by the way. My fixed drain pipe. I just did that because it saved me messing around with all the drain pipe and stuff. Because there's still original drain pipe left of the old one. But yeah, it's all working. It's 42 at the moment. It's still going up to 90. It'd be interesting to see how hot this machine gets. I probably won't keep it in here for the whole weekend. I probably will put it back in the shed soon. I'm just got it in here for now just to do a boil wash in it with some cleaner, and I'll probably do a wash loading after, and then I'll put it back in the shed. It has unfortunately got quite a big warp in the drum, but it don't affect the machine. Yeah, it's pretty good though. Little dial's clicking. So I've got it on 95. I've just got it at 400 because it don't need to go on anything faster really, just for okay. It's doing the fast tumbles as well now, not the slow tumbles. Let's get the drum all nice and clean. The drum would look shinier. I'll probably stick on another ball wash after this with some towels in it. And that'll be it then, I think, for now. Yeah, she's working right then. I might keep you updated on what get on with it. Because I'll go out and get a tumble dryer later. So I just might let it get on with it. Yeah, anyway.